In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a video to your Google Slides presentation. This is a fantastic way to enhance your slides, provide extra information, or even give a dynamic edge to your talk. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to access Google Slides. Head over to your preferred web browser and visit the Google homepage. From there, you can either click on the grid icon to open Google Apps and select Slides, or simply type in slidesgoogle.com into the address bar and hit Enter. Once you're in Google Slides, you can either open an existing presentation that you want to modify or create a new one for practice. Now, with your presentation open, navigate to the slide where you want to insert a video. It's important to choose a slide that will best complement your video content. This will help keep your audience engaged and ensure a smooth flow throughout your presentation. With the desired slide in view, go to the top menu and click on Insert. A drop-down menu appears, offering several options. Hover over Video from this menu and click on it. A new window will pop up, giving you a couple of choices for inserting your video. You have the option to search for a YouTube video directly from this window, which can be incredibly handy if you know exactly what you're looking for. Simply enter the title or keywords into the search bar, and a list of videos appears. Take your time to scroll through and select the one that suits your needs. Once you've found the perfect video, you can click on Select to insert it into your slide. If the video you want to use is stored on your Google Drive, you'll find that uploading it is just as straightforward. Click on the Google Drive tab within the same pop-up window. You might need to grant Google Slides permission to access your Drive files at this point. Once that's done, you can browse through your folders or use the search bar to locate the desired video. Select the video, and it will automatically be added to your slide. After inserting your video, you can adjust its position and size directly within the slide by clicking and dragging the corners. You might also want to ensure that your slide layout complements the video for a polished look. Consider adjusting text boxes or images around the video for optimal viewing. Finally, make sure to test the video in presentation mode. Click on the Present button at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the slide with your video. Hit play to watch the video embedded in your slide and check that it appears as you intended. This step is crucial to ensure everything runs smoothly when you're finally presenting. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video to your Google Slides presentation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different types of content to engage your audience better. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.